Hi writing tutors, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to check your schedule on TutorTrack. So first we're going to navigate to Blackboard through your portal or however you get there. Go to Organizations, Student Learning Center, Writing Tutors, and then if you scroll down you should be able to see TutorTrack login page. And so this will take you to your TutorTrack. Again, to find your schedule, you go up to the little TrackMan here in the left-hand corner. You're going to go to Schedule. And then you'll see a list of all of our employees here on the left-hand side. You're going to scroll down to the Writing Center. And I am going to use Riley as an example. So say I'm Riley. I'm going to click on my schedule. And here you're going to see that there's absolutely nothing. And that's because we are on the current week. In order to get to the next week when we start services, you're going to want to click on January 31st. And here you will see the schedule. So you can see that there are both writing appointments and drop-in appointments on your schedule. Writing appointments will appear like this. Drop-in will appear like this. And I wanted to use Riley as an example because she has library hours. I wasn't able to decipher between drop-in in the SLC versus drop-in in the library, but you can see her drop-in hours here because they are from 5 to 7, and that's when our library drop-in hours are. So please go into your schedule on TutorTrack and make sure that I transferred it correctly from our schedule that we were working with into TutorTrack. Sometimes I miss things, and when folks make changes, sometimes I forget to add them. So just double check for me that I have all of that in there correctly. You can scroll over to see all the way to Friday. This too is how you check, just a reminder, when you get those appointment notifications to see if it's in person or online. You'll check here to see if it's an online writing appointment or if it's a regular writing appointment, which means in person in the SLC. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to either Pa or myself. I'm here in the office, so you can stop by here anytime and I can walk you through this as well. All right, well, I hope you have a great rest of your first week, and I will see you starting on Monday. Bye.